Students, it is another class. The class is MEC 11. 11 is serial number. MEC means magnetic effect of current. Okay, this is a very important chapter in your syllabus, magnetic effect of current, and the topic is galvanometer. Okay, I have tried to make it colorful. I wish if we read in a colorful manner, the mind will be colorful, the thoughts will be colorful, everything will be colorful, and the new year will also be colorful. Okay. Now the question is, here is the figure of construction of a galvanometer. I will tell it, I will describe it after 5 to 6 minutes. And what is a galvanometer? Actually, galvanometer is a current measuring device or an instrument. In science laboratory, very frequently the necessity arises to measure current. Current मापिया ପାଇଁ कि अनेक समय अनेक क्षेत्र में दरकार पड़ी पारे. So there are different instruments, galvanometer, and that is another one which is known as ammeter. Actually, ammeter is formed or constructed out of galvanometer. So first we will read about galvanometer, then how galvanometer is converted to ammeter. Probably we will do it in our next class. So galvanometer which called as specialty called, it detects and can measure very small current. बहुत कम करंट हेले मध्य galvanometer ताको तार उपस्थिति जानी परिबो, डिटेक्शन एंड मापी मध्य परिबो. Even current in the microampere range, mu a माने microampere range, can be detected and measured by galvanometer. Okay, it is very sensitive device, very sensitive. टिके नाको current flow कले मध्य galvanometer ताको सहजरे मापी दे परिबो. That's why you call it as sensitive. Basically, it has got two important parts. Important parts, one is the magnet and the other one is the coil. All galvanometers, whatever may be its type, is a combination of magnet and coil. Then, there are two types of galvanometers at your level. One is known as moving coil type galvanometer, and the other one is known as moving magnet type of galvanometer. In moving coil type galvanometer, moving coil, the coil moves. What happens? The coil moves, so coil moves and magnet is fixed. That's why it is called as moving magnet type of galvanometer. And the other one is your moving magnet type of galvanometer. It magnet is moving. Magnet is movable. It coil was movable. The magnet is movable, but the coil remains fixed. In your syllabus, you are supposed to read about moving coil type of galvanometer, whose constructional details are mentioned here. This is also called as suspended type of galvanometer. Suspended means something is suspended. This is a coil. C means coil. Coil is suspended. Now, let us start describing this figure. Let us start from C. C is nothing but a coil. C is nothing but a coil, and it consists of many turns, not one turn, but it can consist of many turns. It is generally copper wire. The coil is formed by copper wires because copper wires are very good conductors of electric current. And the coils should not touch each other. There is one coil, and the coil, and the coil, and the body. And we should expect that one coil should not touch with the other coil. That's why it is insulated. This is insulated. Coil is insulated. But we require the wires must be insulated. Because of that, they do not touch each other. Coil गुड़ा touch करें थोड़ी से short ही हो. That's why coils are copper wires, insulated. ताकि ऊपर है insulating material दिया है कि वो they don't touch each other. ता भीतर गोटे ऐसी दिखाई नहीं गोटे iron core था है. ता भीतर है soft iron core गोटे था है. Okay? ता चारिपटे कौन ही था है? ता चारिपटे coil टाइप दी गुड़े ही करता है. Soft iron core. Okay, तापर कौन है वो? The magnetic field in which the coil is present becomes very strong. कौन है वो? The magnetic field between the two poles is very strong because of the presence of the soft iron core. Hello. Acha. तापर let us describe further how the coil is suspended. You see, here is a magnet. P is HS magnet. HS magnet माने Hertz magnet. Okay, this is the north pole of the magnet. This is the south pole of the magnet, and the magnet is a very strong magnet. So between north pole and south pole, the field is produced. Magnetic field is produced, which is very strong. Okay. Then in this magnetic field, a coil is suspended. You see, the coil is suspended. Okay. अनेक बजे देखिबा कॉइल टा एमती थिबो एमिति गोल वृत्ताकार में थिबो आ गोटे एमती रेक्टेंगुलर थिबो. So it makes little difference. This is a suggestive drawing of a coil. Okay. Then how the coil is suspended? The coil is suspended from a head. T माने होची torsion head. सेडी कोन छै माने एटा coil टा तळे अछि. Okay. ए सबा ऊपर स्थान टाको हमें केवल टॉर्सनेट जो जगह रे ये तारटा कोन ही परिबे एंती बुली परिबे देखो it can rotate. Then coil रा ऊपर गोटे मिरर अछि. M is a mirror. Mirror कोन करे ना जो coil टा जेतले रोटेट करिवो केमती रोटेट करिवो. Yes, I will tell you. Okay. So the rotation of the coil or the twisting of the suspension wire, the end of the suspension wire से केते रोटेट कला के कॉइल टा केते से जो तारटा केते मुड़ी हे गला इरा हमें मिरर द्वारा जानि परिबा. And when the time comes we'll describe about the utility of the mirror. So this green में जोटा मो ड्रा करछि. Okay, that is your wire. कौन wire एटा देखा लिखाई छी? S लिखाई छी. S is suspension wire जा द्वारा की से कॉइल टा सस्पेंडेड हे के रही छी. It is made up of phosphor bronze is an alloy. Phosphor bronze alloy रे ए तारटा तयारी हे छै এবং तार द्वारा कोन हे छै ना कॉइल टा झुली के रही छै. SP is a spring. It controls the rotation of the coil. तो कथा उठु छी जे coil rotate काई करिवो. You see N and S, there are two poles और ताकर पोल भितर कोन अछि ना there is a magnetic field এবং এই magnetic field रे current रही छै. When current will flow through the coil becomes a current carrying coil. A current carrying coil in a magnetic field will be acted upon by a torque. हमें पढ़ी थी last class रे torque on a rectangular current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field. एठी से कोन होबे एठी coil, it is a magnetic field. तार भीतर जेतले कॉइल भीतर करंट फ्लो करिवो इट विल एक्टेड अपन बाय टॉर्क रो काम कोन टॉर्क कोन करिवो ना कॉइल टाको रोटेट करिवो एवं सेही रोटेशन को मापिले हमें करंट रो मूल्य केते जानि परिबा. एही हला हमर concept or principle बेले हम कहि परिबा. नाउ द क्वेश्चन स्प्रिंग काई अछि. वी डोंट वांट जे कॉइल टा रोटेट करिया माने न जे कॉइल टा बहुत गुडा बेसी रोटेट करिवो. ओके, तेणु सेमती कले कोन हो ना कॉइल टा छिड़ी जाई पारे, डैमेज जाई पारे, the instrument may be damaged. So the spring controls the rotation of the coil or deflection of the coil. Okay, now it is a mirror, it is a spring. A and B current को बड़े possible current. These are the terminals of the current. A रे possible arrow दिए दीजिए. The current enters through A, passes through the coil and goes out of B. So A and B are 2 points between which the current flows. I repeat, whenever current flows in this coil, the coil is acted upon by a torque. Due to torque, the coil rotates, and the amount of rotation of the coil is proportional to amount of current that flows through the coil. I hope you understand it. This is the description of the galvanometer. Okay, let us continue. We have described a moving coil galvanometer. We have described a moving coil galvanometer whose figure is here, and some of the important parts of the moving coil galvanometer are listed here, and you are now acquainted with this thing. Now the question is, there is a significant thing which you must note, that the pole surfaces of the North Pole and South Pole are not flat. Normally the magnetic poles have flat surfaces, but here it is curved, concave, because of the concave poles convey a radial field. I must explain. A radial field means magnetic field, is produced between the two concave poles. Concave poles of the magnet. Radial field current, I must explain to you, okay? In this radial field, the coil is suspended, and when current flows through the coil, it rotates, but it rotates in such a manner the coil never touches the surface of the North Pole and surface of the South Pole. Now what is the radial field? Now you see, this is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. You can imagine there is a sphere, and this is the central region of the sphere. One part of the sphere functions as a North Pole, the other part of the sphere functions as a South Pole. They are separated, and they will produce a magnetic field. Okay, they will produce a magnetic field, no doubt about it. And how the lines of force emerge from the North Pole? From any pole which creates a magnetic field, the lines of force emerge perpendicularly. So you say the lines of force will emerge perpendicularly. You say the lines of force are emerging perpendicularly from the North Pole, no doubt about it. And at the South Pole, the lines of force enter into the surface of the South Pole How they enter? They enter the South Pole surface also perpendicularly. This is the property of the lines of force. The lines of force emerge from a pole, North Pole, emerge perpendicularly and enter into a South Pole also perpendicularly. Because this is curved, so the emergence and the ending of the South Pole have to be like this. Okay. Then if they are allowed to move forward and forward and forward, then come here, but that does not happen. The North Pole जो भारत lines of force आसला परे एटा कर्व है कि so the lines of force they bend they look like this. Okay, it is the red line, so the lines of force which are curved when they come out from the North Pole perpendicularly, they are also curved when they enter perpendicularly into the South Pole. Such a field is called the radial field. If you think that the space is like a sphere, then these are along the radii of that sphere. Sphere radius गुड़ाक जमती थाए, एटी सेमती lines of गुड़ाक साथे जमती से sphere radius बढ़िया आरंभ होई ची, किंतु the lines of force never intersect, they never meet. So after coming closer and closer and closer in this region, they separate out and become like this. एटी कौन है ये देखो, जेहेतु लाइन्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट सब कन्वर्ज हो जाती, but they don't meet. कौन रखिता? They converge, but they don't meet. एटा converge हो गला पर the strength of the field is very stronger. So the radial, this is your radial field, radial magnetic field. Due to what force? Due to concave shape of the poles, এবং এই যে central region রে the field become very strong. The field become very strong. So the purpose of having a radial field is to make the field very very strong in the space between the two poles. And in this space, what happens? The coil is suspended. In this space, what is suspended? The coil is suspended in this space. So that is our purpose, that we should create a strong field in which we must suspend the coil, and to increase the strength, we have also got the soft iron core inside the coil. Then we have to know what happens in other cases. Okay? So this is radial field. पिला माने वर्तमान देखो जे এই যে গালভেন্টর যাকে বর্তমান আমি বর্ণনা করব তার অ্যাকশন, তার প্রিন্সিপাল অফ অ্যাকশনটা কোন? প্রিন্সিপাল অ্যাকশন হচ্ছে গত ক্লাসে লাস্ট ক্লাসে প্রিভিয়াস ক্লাসে যা পড়ছিল, when a current carrying conductor, here is a conductor is taken in the form of a coil, is positioned freely, মুক্ত ভাবে সে ঝুলুতিব in an external magnetic field, then it is acted upon by a torque. It is acted upon by a torque. Torque का वो कॉन्सेप्ट है, okay? Due to which the coil shows a tendency to rotate as long as a current flows in the coil. एठी भी सही आबो जते बड़ी तमे करंट टाको कोन करिवो ने जते करंट आमे जते पास करूनी ए रोटी पर्यंत कॉइल सेमती झोली के रहिथिवो गोटा पोजीशन रे. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड स्विच ऑन कर देबो, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड सृष्टि होला, दिस फील्ड इज रेडियल फील्ड एवं सेही फील्ड रे कॉइल रही छै, बतन तमे करंट को छाड़ देलो, कारण एई बाटे पछिला कॉइल भितरे ती घुरी पुनी भी देके बाहर चल गेला. जेतेबे पर्यंत करंट फ्लो करथुबो एई कॉइल रे सेतले कोन होना गोटे टॉर्क तापरे काम करिवो, एवं से टॉर्क जगु what is the result of the torque, what is the effect of the torque? The coil rotates. एवं मु आउथरे कहूची the coil will no doubt deflect, rotate, and torque एवं रोटेशन रो कोन संपर्क अछि? टॉर्क जते बेसी हबो सेते बेले ता डिफ्लेक्शन मध्ये सेते अधिक हबो. And the expression for the torque will be covered in our theory. So according to the theory, it is theory derivation करियर कोन की आवश्यकता नहीं, हम ऑलरेडी एटा काढी सरछु. The torque on the coil is with an 8 लिखि जाउ करे, tau is equal to n I b a cos of some angle. देखो ये एंगल टा अनेक बेले थीटा थिबो, अनेक बेले फाई थिबो, अनेक बेले अल्फा थिबो. You know, pre-notations are used. हमें एटी कोन नंबर, and this will be phi. This will be your equation 1. Okay? So there is no doubt about it. Okay? We are reading about the torque acting on a current carrying coil suspended in a magnetic field between the two magnetic poles. And the expression is tau is equal to n I b a cos phi, and this is our equation 1. What is n? n होची कोन? The number of turns. से जो coil टा होची तातरे केतेटा turns अछि. So that is given by number of turns. Okay? I टा कोन? Current. I टा होची current flowing in the coil. How much is the current? ए I टा को हमर मापिबार अछि. ए I टा को हमर मापिबार अछि. A टा कोन? ना area of the coil. A is the area of the coil, and B टा कोन जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड सृष्टि हेछि नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल भितरे से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड रो ठीक से जो स्पेस in which magnetic field is existing से स्पेस रो सेंट्रल पोजीशन रे सेंट्रल पॉइंट रे तार मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एटो हम कहबे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इंडक्शन at the center of the coil ठीक है N हला I हला B हला A हला और रहला कौन cos phi phi टी कौन phi is very important you must know remember हमें लास्ट क्लास में टॉर्क पढ़ला बेले कौन पढ़िथिलु हमें टॉर्क पढ़ला बेले हमें या कहिथिलु phi is the angle between the plane of the coil मु कौन कहली plane of the coil and direction of magnetic field इति लिखली phi is the angle between plane of the coil plane को underline कर ली plane of the coil and direction of magnetic field जदि तमे भूली जाइथिबो ताले ए क्लास सरला परे से टार्क रो जो तुम दिहाई छि मटेरियल दे दिछि एटा काढी के तमे देखि परिबो जे फाइट होचे सही एंगल ए एक्सप्रेशन देखिबो एटा sin फाइ बा sin थीटा रे मध्ये एक्सप्रेस करा जाई परिबो ओके लास्ट क्लास रे पढिला बेले दिस एंगल वाज टेकन एज थीटा but now it has been taken as phi in order to tally with the book or tally with your study material যদি এটা sin expression হবো sin of some angle সেই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা কোন হবে না that is the angle between the plane of the coil and area vector is always perpendicular to the plane of the coil so that is the angle is between the area vector and magnetic field okay so ethi kintu hochi korna it is the angle between plane of the coil and direction of magnetic field so it is angle between area vector and direction of magnetic field so this is all about this formula now the question is advantage kon is radial field देखो radial field होची ए देखो concave field var direction varla ebar एमती पसिला so it is like this एठी कोन होची ना गोटे coil टा रही ता coil टा रही the coil जे रही radial field जगो कोन हो the plane of the coil will always be parallel to the direction of magnetic field एटा मन रखि बहुत बड़ा कथा एटा जे तो आमे जदि गोटे प्लेन सरफेस देखथांतु मैग्नेटिक पोल नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल लाइन्स ऑफ पोल एमती पैरेलल थाता ता भीतर एटा कॉइल टे रही थाता कॉइल बुलिले कोन हितांता the when the coil rotates then the angle between the magnetic field and the plane of the coil would have changed but एठी कोन होची ना एमती माने ए डायरेक्शन रे कॉइल रही छी ठीक है बुली गला एमती हे गला देखो सेठी गोटे लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स अछि आउटे बुली गला सेठी गोटे लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स अछि आउटे कॉइल बुली गला सेठी गोटे लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स अछि प्रत्येक पोजीशन रे कॉइल रो प्लेन टा मु कोन कहली द प्लेन ऑफ द कॉइल इज ऑलवेज पैरेलल टू द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड से कथा एठी मतलब मु लिखुची कोन लिखुची एट लिखली since the field is radial what a capital लिख देले radial so when coil rotates its plane mean plane of the coil its plane always remains parallel parallel to the field direction से जो रेडियल फील्ड हिथिबो ता प्रति एटा पैरेलल लेके रखिबो एटी चिंता करो जे कॉइल एम्पीयर रहिला सो दैट इज द फील्ड एम्पीयर रहिला दैट इज द फील्ड एम्पीयर रहिला दैट इज द फील्ड प्रत्येक जगह रे कॉइल जते रोटेट करी जीवो थिंक अबाउट ए थ्री डायमेंशनल रोटेशन a three dimensional space in which the coil is rotating the plane always remains parallel to the field অতএব phi টা কোন হবে phi is 0 phi is 0 phi is the angle between the plane of the coil and the direction of the field since they remain parallel to each other so phi is 0 অতএব cos phi কেতে হইଯିବ 1 then equation 1 becomes tau is equal to n I b a only this and this is your equation. In the material number of the equations may be different, mind it. Okay, and what is the maximum value of cos phi? 1. So this is the maximum value of the torque. It is the expression for maximum magnitude of the torque, or you can say tau max is equal to NIBA. So what you have achieved? Because of radial field, you have made the field stronger, plus the coil is always positioned parallel to the field. Due to this, the torque becomes maximum. Maximum torque acts on the coil, that is tau max. Then this torque is known as deflecting torque. A torque को कौन कहिबा deflecting torque ए पाएंगे because it deflects the coil from its initial position. Coil टा जो position थिला ये तो कौन कला ना and it rotate कला. That's why this is called deflecting torque. Okay. So हमें जो current को मापी थांते आई से current रो प्रभाव जोगु कौन उसका torque act कला এবং से torque जो पड़ला ना से coil टा rotate कला. So you can conclude because of this torque the coil rotates from its initial position. That's why it is known as deflecting torque. Okay. This deflecting torque, the maximum value is NIBA, is written by your equation 1. It symbol is tau. The note that has been given to you, the deflecting torque has been represented by the symbol L, and D stands here for deflecting or for deflection. Sorry. For deflection. So if this is your more friendly symbol for deflecting torque, then this is equal to your NIBA. The same thing which is written here, I am writing it here like this. So this is your deflecting torque, and due to which the coil rotates. Then when coil rotates, then what happens? How can we? Now देखो तमे ये जो कॉइलटा झुलुछ एक सस्पेंशन वायर द्वारा से झुलुछ जोटा कि फॉस्फर ब्रॉन्ज एलॉय तैयारी थे जेतल देखो गोटे जिनस झुलुछि ते कॉइलटा रोटेट करछि कोन रोटेट करछि द कॉइल इज रोटेटिंग देन व्हाट विल हैपन टू द सस्पेंशन वायर इट विल बी ट्विस्टेड तमे चिंता करो जे इफ यू समस्त जानथिबो जे रज दौड़ी कथा चिंता कर गोटे गछरु गोटे दौड़ी लागि थाए एवं दौड़ी तले कोन थाए जे गोटे पीढ़ा लागि थाए पीढ़ा रे तमे बसी के आराम रे कोन करो तमे रज दौड़ी रे झुलो एवं निज लाइफ को एंजॉय करो तुम देखिबो बेले बेले कोन करा जाए जे से जो पीढ़ा तुम रोटेट करिवो ताले से दौड़टा कौन हम मोड़ी 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 हो सो इट विल बी ट्विस्टेड तुम जब छाड़ीदेव जिते से कौन कर विपरीत दिगरे से पीढ़ाटा घूरी 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 तार पुणी पूर्व अवस्था को से फेरी आसो एटी से कथा हुए जिते कॉइलटा रोटेट कर the suspension wire is twisted. Let us say that theta is the maximum angle of twist in the suspension wire. Okay, I repeat, when the coil will rotate, the suspension wire will be twisted, but the twist will not be unlimited. There is a limit. It twist kari maximum jitale hela taku em karo maximum limit beli karibe. So what happens when the suspension wire is twisted? The twisted wire opposes the deflection of the coil. Deflection of the coil is possible due to deflecting torque. So twist जो कौन होगा ना वो restoring torque गोटे सृष्टि होगा. If LR is equal to restoring torque arising in the wire due to when it is twisted, then this restoring torque कहीं कुआ गला ना coil जो rotate करूची सेटा को एक ट्विस्ट कौन करिवो ट्विस्टिंग तार कौन करिवो ना ताको बाधा दबो मन रखिता कौन करिवो ना ताको बाधा दबो से पे तो कौन गला रिस्टोरिंग ओके एवं जेतले आरंभ हो जब जस्ट कॉइलटा रोटेट करके आरंभ करिवो सेते बेले when the rotation begins this is your deflecting torque but it theta turn बोले किसी नहीं angle of rotation बोले किसी नहीं so right from the initial point the torque is NIDA which is maximum एठी कोन हम ना twist मूल से तारटा मोटे twist है नथिबो so theta will be very small theta टा small है restoring torque टा कोन हो restoring torque टा मध्ये बहुत कम हो तो जते थीटा टा बड़ी जीवो प्रत्येक पॉइंट रे सेही टॉर्क टा कोन करतबो ना हमर एई जो रोटेशन ऑफ द कॉइल को से बाधा दउतबो बट टाइम आसीबो जते कोन हे जीवो ना रिस्टोरिंग टॉर्क बड़ी एंती गोटे मैग्नीट्यूड आसीबो जते रिस्टोरिंग टॉर्क बिकम्स इक्वल टू द डिफ्लेक्टिंग टॉर्क इनिशियली LR is less than LD. The magnitude of restoring torque will be less than LD. This LR is proportional to theta, the angle of con, the angle of twist. Twist जते बड़ी चलिबो, restoring torque भी बड़ी चलिबो, एवं जते गोटे maximum limiting value तार थिबो और LR equal to a constant C multiplied by 3 theta and this is your equation 3 हमें C को कौन करिबा ना C is equal to a constant it is another constant involving the galvanometer the value of this constant depends on nature of the wire तार physical properties एटा फॉस्फर ब्रॉन्ज मटेरियल रो फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज कोन ता ऊपर सीरो वैल्यू कोन करछि सीरो वैल्यू ता ऊपर डिपेंड करछि सो टाइम विल कम व्हेन द वेयर विल नॉट rotate any further when LR which opposes the rotation becomes equal to LD, then the rotation of the coil stops. LD थिला deflecting torque, को ताको जता returning torque ता संपूर्ण भाबे बाधा देई देला, तेणु rotation of the coil stops. So the system becomes little stable. Okay, so you can write down कौन तुम लिख परिवर्ती that when LD becomes equal to LR, then NIBA, the value of that becomes equal to C into theta. The deflecting torque NIBA becomes returning torque C theta, and theta is the maximum twist in the wire. Theta is the maximum twist in the wire. Hello. Now we can proceed further. Okay. Students, we have gone through the theory and we have derived this equation 2, equation 3 and equation 4. Equation 2 is now very clear for you. This is a deflecting torque and that is LE in our symbol. LR is the restoring torque and the value of restoring torque is equal to deflecting torque when the rotation of the coil stops. It becomes stable. Okay. So at that point, NIBA, the deflecting torque, is equal to C theta, which is equal to your restoring torque. Theta is the angle of twist or angle through which the coil is rotated, and C is the constant. That is torsion constant quasi pare ba taku quasi pare. That is the constant of the galvanometer itself. It depends on the nature of the suspension wear. Then this C by NBA, known as reduction factor of the galvanometer, which is K. मन रखिथो सेठी आ गोटे galvanometer अछि जाको कहै tangent galvanometer. सेटा हम सिलेबस रे नै तो पढिबानी. से tangent galvanometer केस रे reduction factor of the galvanometer is very important and very essential. It is केवल एटा मेंशन कर देगला. This thing is taken as K, and K is your reduction factor of galvanometer. Now I is equal to this thing. Suppose theta is 1. 1 माने twist is 1, unit twist. Theta टा 1 है गले, reduction factor टा कैसे 1 है गला? K becomes equal to I. So I and C by NBA, they are equal in magnitude. So how can you now define reduction factor? Reduction factor of the galvanometer is numerically equal to, they are different. I is current and that is the constant of the galvanometer, but they are numerically equal to the current that produces unit twist. What it produces? It produces unit twist in the suspension wear, or you can say that produces unit deflection of the coil when current flows through it. So now you are acquainted with all these equations. Now according to equation 4, the whole purpose of using this instrument is to measure I. This K, which is equal to C by NBA, is a constant. It is normally given. तमर किसी मापिया दरकार नहीं. कितने का टर्न है N, magnetic field कितने सूची है B, area of the coil कितने, and C, the torque per unit twist. C कितने का सो दिया ही है. है ना? सेटा galvanometer गठन ऊपर depend करती. So you know this value, which is your K. Now roila con theta. So only when you measure theta, then you can multiply theta with K and I can be found. It becomes so simple. How to measure theta? That is the next step. So theta can be measured by two methods. One is known as lamp and scale arrangement. One is pointer scale arrangement. So our purpose is to measure theta, multiply that with k, which is reduction factor that is given, and that will give you I, and theta can be measured by two different ways. One is Pointer scale arrangement, which we will read now, and lamp and scale arrangement, that is an external thing. That you require external arrangement that we may read in our Dowding's class in future. So what is this Pointer scale arrangement? That we have to read now. We have derived up to this. Current is equal to C by NBA into theta is equal to K theta. हमें एक कांस्टेंट को हमें कहूँ रिडक्शन फैक्टर बोले हमें कहूँ. हमर उद्देश्य होची जे हमें थीटा को मापी पारले तादरे के को गुणी परिबो गुणी के हमें आई काट दे परिबो. एक्चुअली एटा दीटा मेथड रे हेई परिबो. जस्ट मु कहै छै गोटा छै लैंप एंड स्केल अरेंजमेंट, गोटा छै पॉइंटर एंड स्केल अरेंजमेंट. दिस इज अ पॉइंटर एंड स्केल अरेंजमेंट. एठी हमर सेटा हमें शो करिनु. एक्चुअली कॉइल संगे गोटे पॉइंटर था. हियर इज अ पॉइंटर. कॉइल ता बोलिले पॉइंटर मध्ये बोलिबो. ओके, कहां पर बोलिबो ना दैट इज अ स्केल. इन जोटा स्केल था एठी एटा को सेपरेटली देखै छी. हियर इज द कॉइल, दिस इज आवर कॉइल. ओके, हियर इज द पॉइंटर. ए पॉइंटर रा लेंथ हला केते ना x मन करो, एंड देयर इज अ कर्व स्केल. इट इज अ कैलिब्रेटेड स्केल. मझे पॉइंटर धर छै o एकर तो 1 2 3 4 5 एमपी थिबो एकर सेम थिबो. So the pointer can be rotate, can move either toward the right, it measures deflection, or it can move to the left, and it can also measure deflection. Hey gala. So a pointer is lightweight. A pointer ta kon? This is lightweight pointer. It is attached to the coil. Then tip of the coil, tip of the pointer can move on a calibrated scale. But say the calibration is 1 2 3 4 5 and so लिखा है. तुम जो स्केल व्यवहार करछो ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स भितर that is also calibrated scale. Now जेतले I is equal to 0, current is flow करूनी आ भितर. When no current is flowing in the coil, coil that is just the initial position रहिबो रेस्ट पोजीशन रे. सेतले पॉइंटर भी स्थिर होइते रहिबो. सेतले पॉइंटर कोड रहिबो ना 0 ऑफ द स्केल रे रहिबो. जेतले करंट वाटर फ्लो करिवो कॉइल विल रोटेट. कॉइल रोटेट कला माने ए पॉइंटर मध्ये रोटेट करिवो. मने करा जाऊ करंट फ्लो कला परे ए पॉइंटर टा रोटेट करि दे ए कोन हला ना आ गोटा पोजीशन चली आसिला. लेट अस से दिस पोजीशन इज योर पोजीशन p. 0 चला when there was no current, the current flow कला आसिला. एटी कोडा एटी गोटा कोण हला. ए कोणटा होती तर ना थीटा is the angle through which coil has rotated. Coil टा रोटेट करछि माने तासे एटा पॉइंटर भी रोटेट करछि. किंतु एठी कोन होई छै ना आमे कहबे एटा d. ए जो o रु p पर्यंत चली आसला पॉइंटर टा ए डिस्टेंस केते d. So से कहला when I flows coil deflects and pointer is deflected from O to P. O to P hela d, x hela the length of the that pointer, theta hela deflection of the coil. Okay, eta x, eta d, eta theta. देखो गोटे चाप खंड गुड़ा देखा जाउची. तार फॉर्मूला कोन ना theta is equal to d by x. Okay, so theta is equal to d by x और I टा केते होबो एटा में theta पे केते लिख परिबा. It will C by NBA into theta पे हमें लिखिबा d by x. मु d टा अलगा रखि देली. It is equal to C by NBA x into d. ए जो C by NBX टा आगुर तो C by NBA टा कांस्टेंट थिला. x टा जो से पॉइंटर दैर्घ्य सेटा भी कांस्टेंट हे गेला. So this is the new constant. The constant quantity multiplied by d. So I is proportional to d. So this is the ultimate thing. एते बड़ा कथा एते हमें पाठ पढिलु टर्म कथा कहलु डेस्क्राइब करलु एते हेन देन कथा हम कहलु कोन अल्टीमेटली हम खाली कोन मापेर अछि एई जो पॉइंटर और स्केल एलिमेंट रे जोटा हम देखि परिबो खाली d टा मापेर अछि. d टा मापिले से जो कांस्टेंट थिबो ताके गुणी देला बले i बारिबो. So I is proportional to d. So this is how by a simple formula in a very straightforward manner I can be measured if we can measure the deflection of the pointer from one position to another position. So this is how a galvanometer scale, galvanometer measurement process works. I hope you have understood it. Read your material I believe you can understand it very, very nicely.